So for you guys in doing content, I think this is what, like, one of the most important things is we looked at your busy schedule and whatever the 50 events and trade shows and stuff you're doing this year, let alone training, as we wanted to establish a way for you to actually execute content with the team you have here and be able to like achieve it of really high quality content. So yesterday we were framing up, okay, we're going to do this in blocks of 9. And we're going to do, like with each block of 9, we're going to do your show. We're going to do a testimonial from a customer. We're going to do 2 products. But then we're like, how do we get you guys to be able to execute this with your busy schedules? And I think doing it in how we've outlined it, right? So now with a product, you're going to know, okay, I know in the next week I need 2 product shots on my Instagram. But having like 7 to 8 ideas on which product, how to do a product shot, I think that's what's gonna, but it does come down to execution. Like the plan is so key, but having it be batched like this, I feel like we're about to knock out 4 weeks worth of content. Now that we have this framework, like
it's incredible,
quick.
I mean, I was just thinking how it's almost like a movie. We were just talking about this, storyboarding a movie. Scripting it out, having it planned, and then executing it, making it come to life.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting to see, it come to life, right? Over the next couple of days, we'll see where it turns out, and we'll be able to like walk away with some good footage. But I'm just excited you guys see like moving forward. Again, we better not come back and be like, what in the crap are they posting?
That's my worst fear. Is that you're going to be hypercritical from Utah and be like, what is this? The colored blocks, the logo's not in the right place, and no, we will.
You will hear from us.
I know we will. Believe me, you'll hear from us too. I'm like, Paul, help us. We're drowning out here. No, I really feel like we've got a roadmap to follow, and the fact that we're also at the same time creating some of that content along the way, but you're kind of leaving it open to say, okay, here's how we're going to do it this way, but then you're going to help to recreate it that way. I think that's going to be, and it'll be awesome for us to do it on our own. You're showing us how to do it.
Yeah.
It's not just you're creating all these things for us. You're showing us how to create it so that we can do it. And then we can add our own creativity to it.
Absolutely, dude.
Which is cool.
Day 2, dude, in the books. Plus, now let's go get some good grub, right?
Let's eat, man. Awesome. Get some more brain fuel. Thanks, bud.
Yeah, thank you.
Day 2.
Like this if you like it, comment for the community, and share if you really care.